Hello everyone, this is my review of the Real Ketones MCT and BHB drink mix. Right out of the box, I noticed the packets are convenient and lightweight, perfect for grabbing on the go. Inside each packet is a blend of BHB salts, MCTs, and electrolytes formulated to support energy, focus, and hydration without any sugar. Here's how it worked for me. It dissolves easily in water and has a light berry flavor that's refreshing, not too sweet. Within about 15 minutes, I felt a noticeable mental clarity boost, no jittery caffeine crash. With added electrolytes, it helped me stay hydrated, especially post-workout or during fasting days. As someone on a low-carb diet, I feel it helps maintain ketosis without hitting the carbs. This is a solid pick if you're on a keto journey, intermittent fasting, or need clean energy without sugar. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.